So you've been invited to join the ACS Virginia Section Mentees or Mentor site. You set up your account and you made it to the page, and your name is in the upper right hand side of the page. If you go to the pull down menu next to your name, you can go ahead and select Edit Profile. So at this point, you're going to set up your profile. The information that's automatically going to come up is the information you provided when you set up your account. I wanted to note on this page that the email you provide will be in the records and available for you to see, but no one else will see it, and there's no way to change that. So just to let you know. Down in the bottom left-hand side of this first page, you'll find something called a status update, and most of you are familiar with that concept from Facebook. But you want to update your status as being matched or not matched. Just keep in mind that whatever you put there is available to any visitor that is on the page. So when you first come to the communities page, anything you post on your status is available to others. Okay, so we made the mistake of actually putting an email on there, and hopefully that will go away. So not everyone is going to contact one of our people who put their email on there. Anyway, you can create blogs, you can put up skills, and these are all important in building your online presence, and the better your page, the more likely that you'll be approved for a match. Okay? All right, so we're back at this page. We're going to go to the upload and continue under avatar and photos. So when you go to avatar and photos, you're going to get a place where you can browse and upload a photo, and it gives you the file size, etc. here, and then file extensions that are available. For me, I went ahead and uploaded the one of my favorite molecules right there, and I wanted to add a second photo. Notice that you can add several photos. So when someone clicks on your profile, they're going to see the primary photo on the left and any additional photos on the right, and those additional photos will be something that they can scroll through that says something about the person. Okay, you want to make sure that these are all professional photos, although you might really be excited about Star Wars, for example. You might not want to put yourself dressed up in your Star Wars outfit on this page and save that for Facebook. So anything chemistry related would be appropriate. Let's say you giving a poster, or you at a meeting, or you and your group of student affiliate members. We want all of this area to be professional. Of course, you can put up your favorite molecule as well. Okay, so this is showing where when you upload your photo, it's asking you to crop it. The aspect ratio is actually locked into that size. You can crop it, but the width and the length remain the same, and you can move it around. It makes you crop it regardless. I have no idea why, but before you can get to the page where you save it. Now, this is showing that this is my second photo here, and if you look down at the bottom of the page, the avatar is what comes up when you post a message. So these are two different photos. One is the photo that comes up when somebody clicks on your profile, and the other is one they see when you put up any message. Okay, so you can click any of these avatars, or you can upload an additional avatar and select that one. Okay, so this is showing me uploading that. All right, now on the privacy tab, you want to go ahead and go there to make sure that you have all the settings that you want. Notice here where it says email, there is no possibility for other people to see it, so you can't change that. Obviously, you can change the availability of these other items, where you're from, and so forth, and you'll scroll down that page and see all the various things that you can put into your profile. But the important thing I wanted to point out is you want to preview your profile. So you want to impress us with your online presence. This is part of the criteria for becoming a mentee and to be approved. What we want to do is make sure that the people who are approved to be mentees have the motivation and the wherewithal to be able to solve everyday problems like this, and that makes us believe that you would be a good mentee and maintain that relationship. So there is no GPA requirement, but there is a requirement to actually be motivated, and we want you to be motivated enough to be able to set up a really nice page. Okay, so I haven't done the entire page here with my test subject, but I wanted to point out something very odd about the site, and I have to figure out what's going on here. Is that second photo that I put up, it's resizing it here, only showing part of it. So keep that in mind when you upload a photo. You have to do a little problem solving and pick a photo that will still look good there. Clearly, I don't like this, sort of blown up picture of me. It's the same one that's here down at the bottom. So you can see what this page looks like. You want to build your connection network here. I haven't tried to do that yet in this test case. Top places. So lots of things that you can do, who you're following, that kind of thing. So to build up this section, you can upload your CV here, which is similar to a resume. All of these have selections that you can make and edit yourself. So every time you visit your profile, you can build it up a little bit. So we may make suggestions after viewing your profile before we allow you access to the mentor site. And if you are a mentor, we want to have really good examples for the mentees. This new age of the online presence, we want to make sure that everyone knows how to do that. Okay, so hopefully once you set up your profile, you'll hear from us soon to let you know if it's appropriate and complete enough for us to put you on the mentor site. And if you're a mentor, hopefully your profile is an excellent example for the students that are setting up theirs. All right, good luck.